Meet today's Delmarva expert. Welcome to Peninsula Imaging, the area's most state-of-the-art medical diagnostic imaging center. From the moment you enter, you'll notice Peninsula's commitment to providing our patients with the most pleasurable and professional experience. Peninsula Imaging has the Greater Salisbury area's only licensed physicians fully qualified to interpret your x-rays, mammograms, and PET scans.
Peninsula Imaging works together with your doctor to provide the best quality images in a timely fashion.
Among our services available are MRI, CT, PET-CT, X-ray, fluoroscopy, ultrasound, vascular lab, and bone density.
Peninsula Imaging is unique in that all of our 14 radiologists are board certified and have completed additional fellowship training.
To find out more, visit peninsulaimaging.com or stop by our new facility in the Woodbrook Medical Center. Meet more Delmarva experts at WBOC.com.